I'm Mitra from Kids Programming. Today I want to show you how to make a character jump in Scratch. We can think of jumping as another form of movement in Scratch. So let's get started. Let's select a sprite. I am choosing hair. Now that we have selected a sprite, let's delete the sprite cat. There. Now let's go to the rabbit. Switch costume to hair A. Now again switch costume to hair B. Go to motions. Glide here. Glide here. And glide again here. Now switch costume to hair C. Let's just click this so that it will change to hair C. Glide to this position. Now let's add when this sprite is clicked. Now if I click this sprite, it jumps. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. Bye.